Hi, today I'm bringing you the Equilibrian Foot Care Kit. This is a kit that will do anything you need it to help care for your feet. It includes a foot file, which has 2 different coarsenesses, if that's a word. Then it's got 2 foot peel kits. Basically, their instructions are similar for all, but this is the first step. So you do the foot peel. There's 2 of those. Then the second step is you can moisturize your feet with these gel socks. You can either leave it on for 60 minutes or just sleep with them overnight. Then there's the moisture foot soak. Similar, wear it for 15 to 20 minutes. And there's this silicone pad and everything you need, all in this one convenient gift box. And yes, it does come like a gift box. Hold on, here we go. That's the foot care kit. Thank you for stopping by.